So these are energy recovery ventilators or the heat recovery ventilators you can call. So these are basically common in all types of commercial applications you see, basically to reduce the energy consumption or the heat load on the cooling or the heating units. So this basically transfers heat from the outdoor air and then the return air and vice versa. It reduces the temperature or increases temperature based on the climatic conditions.
All right, so this is our car park controller, Aviator car park controller, so designed to AS 1668 Part 2 to control car parks, ventilate according to the standard, set up to connect to your exhaust fans, supply fans, and if you do have jet vents in the car parks, it will also control those jet vents as well. So the intent is you have your CO sensors. CO sensors can either connect up to the controller itself, or they can connect up to field devices, so that's your jet fans or your VSDs that are in that car park. And then based on that CO level, the controller will then run the fans accordingly and then just control them. You can also connect up your MSSP controls to the controller, so auto on-off manual coming from your Mac board. If you have any fire signals as well, they can connect up to the controller. And then you have your GFA, fire run and fire stop, and you'll be able to control your jet vents accordingly. In a fire scenario, our jet vents are mounted with a ductproof smoke detector on them, so that's an early warning detection system. They shut off in a fire scenario and everything else runs. Your exhaust and supply goes to full speed. In terms of our controller offerings, we have the Max controller, mainly designed for larger car parks, so where you have more devices, more fans, more sensors, you want to go with this. Gives you more flexibilities. You can add expansion boards to it, so really expandable, can cater for any size car park. It's been programmed to do up to 50 field bus jet vents, so where you have your jet vents that are on mode bus control, connected up to 50 mode bus jet vents, 16 exhaust and supply fans, up to about 50 field bus sensors, so you can do a whole lot with it. The mini controller, software-wise in terms of capability, exactly the same, but just more for those smaller size car parks. So where you don't have as many devices, you would go with the mini controller because you can't add expansion boards and expand to it. So mini, smaller size car parks, Max controller for those larger size car parks. You can also have a touchscreen that comes with it. The touchscreen in itself is really a nice to have. Typically car parks are underground. You don't really have a touchscreen in an underground car park or anything, but it is a nice to have just graphical interface to see the controller. The controller can still work without it. You don't need to have a touchscreen, but we find these work well for those maybe private car parks, a residential car park where, again, it's a high-end building and they just want something nice with graphics to add onto their car park.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, no.